Hi, my name is Sophie Van Exel. I'm a third-year civil engineering student at Dalhousie University, and I'm originally from the Netherlands. I decided to pursue a degree in engineering because I really liked math and science while I was in high school, and I didn't have a good idea of what I wanted to do in university yet, so I talked to some of my family friends, and one of them was studying engineering at the time at Dalhousie, and she took me on a tour and explained more about the program, and I thought it sounded really interesting. The parts that really interested me were the different shops. I've always loved working with my hands and doing experiments and stuff like that, but then also just like the really applied aspect of the math and science, using what we've learned in high school and like more abstract classes to really apply it to the real world. One good thing about Dal Engineering is that in your first year you have the opportunity to explore what discipline you actually want to choose. After taking the statics course, I really discovered that I liked the math and the ideas behind civil engineering and was able to switch into that discipline very easily. The civil department has a lot of certificate programs that we can choose from. We can choose between structural, geotechnical, water resources, and environmental. And it's really about what kind of electives we take in our last year of studying to be more specific and get that specificity on our diploma when we graduate. The structural side of civil engineering is really about structures. I mean, it's kind of in the name, but it's about designing and ensuring that buildings and bridges and things like that in the society are stable and that they don't break according to the loads and pressures that are applied to them. So there's lots of different opportunities available to students here outside of just the classes. There's a lot of different design clubs like the Solar Car, which some of my friends are in, and also a lot of different societies like the DEWs or the Engiqueers or the Women in Engineering, which host different events and different opportunities for you to get together and do things. And I'm actually looking forward to getting more involved in those and be able to really have a group of people that I can relate to and rely on who are in the same situation as me. I don't really have any career goals specifically yet in mind, but I really hope to figure out what I want to do in the future through doing the Dalhousie Co-op and being able to try different job opportunities and different work placements and just try different areas of civil engineering. As of now, I'm leaning more towards the design side because that's what's interested me in the past, but I really want to take the opportunity to try different things and then figure out what I want to do in the future. Some advice I would give to prospective students wanting to do engineering at Dal would be to, if possible, go to an open house and take the opportunity to maybe meet some students or talk to people who are in the program and also see where you would be taking classes. And then, of course, keep up with your math and sciences because they're very important and really are the basis for everything that you're learning here. My experience at Dal so far has been really good. I really love getting to hear about everything that's going on in the community, and I really love that we get to hear about what our professors are researching as well. So anything that we're interested in, especially for me, like the civil stuff, has been really cool to know what the professors and even like the grad students are researching, and there's just so much support and information available here that I really have had a great time.